Meaning of half-assed.
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 Half-assed. The term half-assed is a colloquial expression used to describe something that is done poorly or incompletely. It implies that the effort put into a task was insufficient and lacking in commitment. The result of a half-assed attempt is usually subpar, with many aspects left undone or incomplete. This type of work is often frustrating for those affected by it, as it can create additional problems or require additional work to fix. Overall, the term half-assed is used to express disappointment or frustration with someone's lack of effort or commitment to a task.